Up today all throughout South Florida, those tornado touchdowns yesterday, one causing major damage in Miami Springs and Hialeah.
And teens went back to school at a high school in Palm Beach Gardens where another tornado caused up to $1 million of damage. We have team coverage of the cleanup. Local 10 News reporter Ian Margol is live in Hialeah, and Local 10 News reporter Erica Rako is live in Palm Beach Gardens.
The Weather Authority meteorologist Trent Eric is here as well. Let's start with Ian.
Well, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Actually, crews have been out here all morning, just like we've been out here all morning, and they have been working hard. Check it out right now. A restoration crew is here upstairs in this apartment, and actually they are on the roof as well, surveying the damage, seeing what is salvageable. In fact, there are piles and piles and piles of wood and trash and things like that in front of these homes. Now the cleanup will continue throughout the day. The work got started early Tuesday morning. Restoration crews were inside these Hialeah apartments to clean up the mess and salvage whatever they could.
What's done is done, but now we want to try to prevent anything further.
Before the sun rose, residents were pulling out personal items, using flashlights to see into the homes where power still hasn't been restored. A community where just 24 hours earlier, a tornado ripped through, causing major damage to their homes.
As I'm dressing up, I started hearing the glasses breaking on the building and the wind.
Jorge Torres has lived in this apartment for nearly 3 years, and despite signs saying they're unsafe to live in, he and several other neighbors decided to stay put overnight.
They would only offer us shelter for one day. They didn't know the outcome, and the shelter's not even on this area.
But Torres says overall he's been very happy with how much the city and the surrounding community have come together to help with the cleanup effort, and he's thankful this all wasn't much worse.
I feel that God blessed us because there's 4 buildings that got real damage, and nobody really got hurt personally. We got damages, property damage, but that's nothing, you know.
And you're taking a look at some of the piles that I was talking about just a couple of minutes ago. These are all from baseboards and crown molding, things like that, wood that was soaked in water. There are about half a dozen generators going out here because we were told that FP&L will not be turning the power back on until the roofs are fixed, until it is safe to do so. Now, we also spoke with the Salvation Army. They told us they're going to be coming out here later today. They're going to be bringing a canteen, so there's going to be dry food and water for the people that are going to be working out here for the rest of the day to try to make this cleanup go as smoothly as possible. We're live in Hialeah. Ian Margol, Local 10 News.